this is a little Honda Z50J. It's about a 74, 75 model. As you can see, runs and rides. Front light works. I think all the indicators work, but for these bikes you need to switch it over here for the indicator. And I know with the 6 volts they sometimes take a little bit of revving to get them going, so I do think that they all work. Can't confirm that, but I remember this working. So I haven't ridden this bike for many years. The rear tail light works as well, as you can see. The brake lights section of the bulb has blown. I checked that. I don't have one to put in, so that's it over there. This bike has the original carburetor, original wheels. I think it's mostly original actually. There might be 1 or 2 things missing that I can't see, so if anyone can see something that I'm missing, just let me know. It's the original Honda seat. Chain guard, the wheel back here, still in really good condition. There's a slight little ding on the cover there, but nothing serious. Tank is still in good condition. Got a bit of a rub there. There's the bars. So yeah, idles very nicely. Still got the kick when it runs. So for a what is this, a 50-odd-year-old bike? Unbelievable. But I guess that's why we love Hondas, eh? So there you go, Honda Z50J. Let me know if you've got one of these bikes, if you like them, what do you think of them? And yeah, I love them. By the way, also if you want free workshop manuals for these bikes, you can go to my website, my50.com, and you'll be able to download them for free. Have fun. Let me know how many of you enjoy these bikes.